Can we predict the winner of the 2026 World Cup final using only high school algebra? Today we are modeling the tournament paths of both Spain and Argentina as algebraic systems. We will assign variables to their real match stats, solve for their performance indexes, and mathematically crown a champion. Let's first look at the incorrect way people try to mathematically solve this match. A basic approach is simply counting total goals scored across tournament stages to see who has the higher number. Looking closely at the data, both teams have scored exactly 13 goals up to this point. Relying strictly on raw goals leaves us with an equal value on both sides, making it impossible to solve the system. So, to solve this correctly, we must establish a system of linear equations that weights different layers of tournament performance. Let G represent total goals scored, D represent overall goal difference, and C represent total goals conceded. We will use the formula P equals 2G plus 3D minus 5C. This algebraic model rewards efficient attacking play, values a strong score margin, and heavily penalizes defensive vulnerabilities. Let's substitute the tournament variables for Spain. They've scored 13 goals and have only conceded one goal, leaving them with a goal difference of plus 12. Placed into our equation, 2 times 13 equals 26. 3 times 12 is 36, and 5 times 1 is 5. Adding 26 and 36, then subtracting 5, gives Spain a final calculated performance rating of 57. Now let's substitute the variables for the defending world champions, Argentina. They have also hit 13 goals, but they have conceded 4 times throughout their run, giving them a goal difference of plus 9. Placed into our equation, 2 times 13 is 26, 3 times 9 is 27, and 5 times 4 is 20. Adding 26 and 27, then subtracting 20, gives Argentina a final performance rating of 33. Let's compare the final algebraic values to complete the prediction. Spain's historic defensive record gives them a massive numerical advantage under this system. 57 is strictly greater than 33. Algebra predicts that Spain's flawless structural efficiency will outlast Argentina to claim the World Cup trophy this Sunday.